Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send a signature request using the BoldSign Java SDK and how the signer completes the signing process after receiving the request. If you're new to BoldSign, I've linked videos in the description below to help you get started with the application. I'll start by installing the BoldSign Java SDK in my project. Make sure you have installed Java version 1.8 or higher. You can install the BoldSign Java SDK using Maven or Gradle. I'll use Maven for this tutorial. Add this dependency to your project's pom.xml file. Next, run mvn clean install in your terminal to install the API client library into your local Maven repository. Since I have already installed the Java SDK, I confirm the setup by running this command which displays the installed version in my project directory. Next, I create the signature request. I return to the BoldSign developer documentation and locate the Java code for sending a document, copy, and paste it into my Java file. Next, I update the code. In the API client, I set the API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't generated your API key yet, you can do so by logging into the BoldSign web app. Navigate to the API menu, select the API keys, and generate a new key. Document API is a class that provides methods for handling document-related operations, such as sending documents for signing. Since the signature field is already included in the code, I'll configure its position to define where the signer will place their signature. You can add additional form fields if needed. I define the signer's details using the document signer object. Here I set up the signer's details, name, and email address, and assign the signature field. Next, I prepare the request body for sending the document. I upload the document to be signed by specifying its file path, in this case, a non-disclosure agreement. I set the document title. I then pass these to the Send Document API to send the document for signing. With everything set, I run the script. The document is successfully sent for signing. Now, let me switch to the BoldSign web app to check the document status. In the Documents section, I navigate to My Documents and select the Waiting for Others tab. Here, you can see the agreement I just sent for signing. Opening it displays the complete details, including the document ID, status, and signer details. Next, I'll switch to the signer's side and walk you through the signing process. I've received an email notification asking me to sign the document. I click Review and Sign to go to the document signing page, where I first accept the terms and conditions. Then, I fill in the required form fields and click the Finish button to complete the signing process. The document is successfully signed. I have received the completed document and the audit trail document via email. I open the completed document, which includes the signature, and then the audit trail, which provides a log of all activities with timestamps and actions taken by the signer. That's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.